बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज हम स्टार्ट करेंगे एक्सरसाइज 2A क्वेश्चन नंबर 3। इन क्वेश्चन नंबर 1 and 2 the question is given already in the factorized form, while in question number 3 you have to factorize. We can use factorize either by using AC method or by using any formula. So what is AC method? AC method is this, that the coefficient of the first term is A, while the coefficient of the second term is B, and the coefficient of the third is also third is a constant, that is C. When you will multiply A and C, you will get a number. You have to split this number such that after multiplication you will get this answer, and after addition or subtraction you will get the central term. Basically, you have to split this central term into two numbers. So I know that 7 3s are 21, and when I will add 7 and 3, I'll get an answer 10. So now I have 4 terms instead of these 3 terms. I have separated this term in two different terms, and remember that which variable you will write with these two terms, these new terms, the center one variable. Is this clear? Now I have to make a pairs of two. This I will make a pair of these two numbers and these two numbers. From the first two numbers, I can take s common, s plus 7 plus 3, and from here s plus 7. Remember that these two brackets must be same. If this is not same, that means you did some mistake. Now when these two brackets are same, so you will write the bracket only one time, and in the other bracket you will write the term that is before the first bracket, and with the sign, with its sign, plus this term is equal to 0. Now this is in two product form, so we can write s plus 7 is equal to 0, or s plus 3 is equal to 0. So either s is equal to minus 7 or s is equal to minus 3. This is your answer. Moving towards question number 2. Part 2 is t square minus 16t plus 63. Again, if I will multiply AC method, so I'll get 63 answers. So I have to find the factors of 63 such that after addition I'll get the answer minus 16. So I know that 9 sevens are 63, and when I will add them, so 9 and 7, I'll get an answer 16. Now I have a plus sign over here and minus sign over here, so that means with the central term I will write minus minus, because minus minus I have to add, but sign will be negative, and minus, well, I will multiply, so I'll get an answer plus. So I will write t square minus 90 minus 70 plus 63 is equal to 0. From these two terms I can take t common, t minus 9 from these two terms. Remember that when there is a minus sign with the first term, you have to take that sign common. When you will take it out common, so the next sign will be reversed. It will be minus 9 is equal to 0. Now these two brackets are same, so I will write t minus 9 and t minus 7 is equal to 0. T minus 9 is equal to 0 and t minus 7 is equal to 0. From here t is equal to 9, and from here t is equal to 7. So I get an answer 9 or 7. This is my solution set. Part C is 3u square plus 49u plus 60. If we can take common in the start, so any term we can take common, but 3 we cannot take common because over here it is 49. So again we will use AC method. 3 multiply with 60, the answer is 180. So I have to make a factors of 180 such that after addition I will get 49. So I have factors 3u square plus 45u plus 4u plus 60 is equal to 0. Now from these two terms, can I take 3u common? From here it is u plus 15 plus 4 common. U plus 15 is equal to 0. Now u plus 15, I know that they are same, so u plus 15 and 3u plus 4 is equal to 0. Separately is equal to 0, or either 3u plus 4 is equal to 0. So u is equal to minus 15, and from here 3u is equal to minus 4. Remember that whatever the term is adding or subtracting with the variable, first of all you have to shift that term, and then by whatever the term is multiplying or dividing, we will shift that on other side. So my answer is minus 15 or minus 4 by 3. The question is 6w square minus 29w plus 20. So when we will apply AC method, like A and C will multiply, so I'll get an answer 120. So I have to make the factors of 120 such that after addition I will get an answer minus 29. So 6w square minus 24w minus 5w plus 20 is equal to 0. From these two terms, I can take 6w common, w minus 4 minus 5, w minus 4 is equal to 0. So w minus 4, it's 1 time, 6w minus 5 is equal to 0. W minus 4 is equal to 0, or either 6w minus 5 is equal to 0. W is equal to 4, and from here 6w is equal to 5, w is equal to 5 by 6. So either 4 or 5 by 6 is my answer. Next question is part E. M square minus 16m plus 64. M and this I'll get 64. 64, it's very simple, 8 and 8, and when you will add 8 and 8 you will get 16. Minus 8m plus 64 is equal to 0. From these two terms I can take common m minus 8. From here I can take minus 8 common, m minus 8 is equal to 0. So from here m minus 8 and m minus 8 is equal to 0. Both the factors are same, so that means you will get the same answer, m minus 8 and m minus 8 is equal to 0. From here it is m is equal to 8, and from the other side I also get m is equal to 8. So okay, part F is 9y square plus 21y minus 18. From these type of questions, if you can take common something in the start, so you should take common. For example, can I take common 3 from here, because all the numbers are coming in the table of 3. So it will be 3y square plus 7y minus 6 is equal to 0. Now I have to make the factors of this. 6 and 3 minus 18, that means minus 18, and over here it is plus 7, so that means you have to do subtraction. When the signs are over here it is minus sign, so that means you have to do subtraction. Clear? When there is minus sign with the coefficient c, so that means you have to do subtraction. Okay, now 3 into 3y square plus 9y minus 2y, and remember that you will put the sign that is with the bigger number, this sign you will write that is with the bigger number. Okay, minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, from here if you will shift 3 on the other side it will get 0. So 3y square plus 9y minus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0. I am removing that 3. From these two terms, can I take 3 common? Y square plus 3, and y also I can take common, minus 2 y plus 3 is equal to 0. From here I will get y plus 3, and 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. Y plus 3 is equal to 0, and on the other side 3y minus 2 is equal to 0. Y is equal to minus 3, and from here 3y is equal to 2, y is equal to 2 by 3. Okay, this part is in the fraction form, so I have to remove the fraction first. So for that you can take the LCM, or you can take 1 by 3 common. Whenever we are taking anything common, so that means you are dividing with it. So that means when you are taking 1 by 3 common, so you have to divide. So in the other case, that means you have to multiply it with the other numbers. Or if you are not getting this point, so simply take the LCM, that is 1 by 3 x square plus 3 will be the LCMs over here. 6x minus 27 is equal to 0. 3 will shift on the other side, it will get 0. X square plus 6x plus minus 27 is equal to 0. Now I have to make the factors of 27. It's Again there is a minus sign, that means I will choose subtraction. 9 3s are 27, 9x minus 3x minus 27 is equal to 0. X common, x plus 9 minus 3 common, x plus 9 is equal to 0. From here it is x plus 9 and x minus 3 is equal to 0. So either x plus 9 equal to 0 or x minus 3 is equal to 0. From here x is equal to minus 9 and from here x is equal to 3. So this is the answer. Next part is k square plus 12k plus 36. So from here it is 36. I have to make the factors of 36. Although 9 and 4 are also 36, but 9 plus 4 is not 12. So I have to choose another one. So if I will choose k square plus 6k plus 6k plus 36 is equal to 0. From here I will take k plus 6 and plus 6 I can take common, k plus 6 is equal to 0. So k plus 6 and k plus 6 two times. You can write k plus 6 whole square as well. From here it is k plus 6 is equal to 0, and from the other side also k plus 6 is equal to 0, k is equal to minus 6 and k is equal to minus 6 because both are same. Okay, part I is 25p square plus 70p plus 49 is equal to 0. Now, if you will apply AC method, it is quite difficult to find out the number, such a huge number. So, what we can do, we can apply the formula. Which formula we can apply? We can apply the first formula, and we know that first formula is a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Now, this is in this form and I have to convert this into this form. So that means, can I write 25 as 5p square and 49 as 7 square is equal to 0. Now in the center it is 2, a is 5p, b is 7. So I will check 2 5s are 10, 10 7s are 70. So that means yes, I can apply the formula. So you have to write a and b. From here a and b, 5p plus 7 whole square is equal to 0. So we can write 5p plus 7 is equal, taking square root on both sides. So p is equal to minus 7 by 5. In the last part, again I can apply the formula, and which formula now I can apply? I can apply the second formula, a minus b whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. You can use AC method as well. For that you have to take square root LCM first, and after that you can simplify, and for the with the help of formula we can easily solve that. 4 by 9. So can I write 2 by 3 q square plus b. B is 1 square. In the center minus 2, 2 by 3 q and b is 1 is equal to 0. 2 2s are 4, 4 by 3 q. Remember that after multiplication these three terms, your answer should be this central one. If it is not, that means you cannot apply the formula. So a minus b, a is 2 by 3 q minus 1 whole square is equal to 0. Taking square root, square will be cancelled. 2 by 3 q minus 1 is equal to 0. So 2 by 3 q is equal to 1. Now q will be equal to, because over here it is 2 by 3, on the other side it will get 3 by 2. So this is your answer, and this is your question number 3 done. Okay, question number 4, part A is a square minus 16. Remember that whenever we are having any two terms, so we can apply third formula. And what is third formula saying? It is a square minus b square is equal to a minus b and a plus b. So can I write it in the form of formula? A square minus 16 is a square root of 4. So 4 square. Now I have to write a minus 4 and a plus 4 is equal to 0. One time it will be in a minus 4 is equal to 0 and a plus 4 is equal to 0. A is equal to 4, and from this side a is equal to minus 4. So I will get the answer. Part B is 4b square minus 100. 100, I know that it is a square of 10. 2b square minus 10 square. So this is equal to 0. One time in plus, one time in minus. 2b minus 10, 2b plus 10 is equal to 0. 2b minus 10 is equal to 0, or 2b plus 10 is equal to 0. From here it is 2b 10 is equal to 10. B will be equal to 10 divided by 2. It will be 5. From here it is 2b is equal to minus 10, and b will be equal to minus 10 by 2. That is equal to minus 5. So in these questions answer will be same, only the difference is of sign. Okay, part C is 121. 121 we can write as 11. 11 minus c square is equal to 0, and it will be equal to 11 minus c is equal to 0, and 11 plus c. So either 11 minus c equal to 0, or from here it is 11 plus c is equal to 0. From here if you will get the answer, it will be 11 is equal to c, and from here 11 will shift on the other side, so minus 11. So either c is equal to 11 or minus 11. Okay, moving towards part D. It is 25d square minus 1 by 4. 25 is a square root of 5 minus 1 by 2. That means you should memorize all the square roots and square. 5d minus 1 by 2 and 5d plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. Okay, 5d minus 1 by 2 is equal to 0, or 5d plus 1 by 2 is equal to 0. From here it is 5d is equal to 1 by 2, d is equal to 1 by 2. 5 is multiplying, so that means it will come in the denominator. So from here it will be equal to, d is equal to 1 by 10. From here it is 5d is equal to minus 1 by 2. D will be equal to minus 1 by 2 multiply with 5. D is equal to minus 1 by 10. So this is your answer. 9x square minus 64. So 9 can be written as 3, and 64 can be written as 8. So it will be 3x minus 8 or 3x plus 8 is equal to 0. Either 3x minus 8 is equal to 0, or 3x plus 8 is equal to 0. 3x is equal to 8. X will be equal to 8 by 3. From here it is 3x is equal to minus 8, and x will be equal to minus 8 by 3. Okay, 1 by 18 minus 1 by 2. Now 18 is not square root. We cannot take square root of 18. So what we can do, we can take 1 by 2 common. When you will take 1 by 2 common, so from here it is left with 1 by 9 minus, because 1 by 2 is taken common, 1 y square is equal to 0. Now 1 by 9 can be written, this 1 by 2 shift on the other side and it will get 0, and 1 by 9 can be written as 1 by 3 minus y square is equal to 0. It can be written 1 by 3 minus y, and 1 by 3 plus y is equal to 0. So 1 by 3 minus y is equal to 0, or 1 by 3 plus y is equal to 0. From here it is y is equal to positive 1 by 3, and from here it is equal to minus 1 by 3. So this is the end of your question number 4.